Hi there, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to answer one of the most common questions we get asked from our customers, which is how much meat do I need to make sure that everyone's fed? So let me start with lean meat, or the Greek style gyros. You need to allow about 300 grams of uncooked meat per person. If you're cooking a whole animal, such as a whole lamb or a whole pig, you need to keep in mind that between 50 to 70% of that weight of the animal is actually inedible. So bones you can't eat, the cartilage you can't eat, all of that is going to be wasted. As a rule of thumb, a 17 kilo lamb is going to cater for about 25 people, or a 25 kilo pig is going to cook for roughly 37 people. Now this is obviously also going to be dependent on how many other side dishes or whether you're cooking some other meat as well. Now because you're typically going to be limited by what size animal you can get from your local butcher, my starting point would be to contact your butcher and ask them what size animal they're able to get for you. Then once you have that approximate weight, multiply it by 1.5 to be able to roughly calculate how many people you can feed. So speak to your butcher, find out the size of the animal you can get, and then you can work out whether you need anything else. If you'd like to stay connected and keep on upping your barbecue game, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment below, give us a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.